right, y'all. So, got this big bag. Pass it over. And I got one of them is a birthday dress. So hopefully that's good. This is part of the bodysuit. I got 3 bodysuits, black, white, and tan, I think. Black, white, and tan. 3 simple bodysuits. I got a couple pair of jeans. I got smaller, so I got them in a size 9. So hopefully they fit. I was in a 13. Literally in a 13. So hopefully these are good. Try them on and see. I think I got like 3 pair of jeans. Got a jean shirt. The jean shirt.
What?
Simple.
What?
Bye, Siri. Bye, Siri. Okay, and it has like this type of material, stretchy material on the side. This is another pair of jeans. So we got the light blue. Oh no, this is a skirt. This is a jean skirt. I think I got 3 jean skirts. 3 or 4. I got the black one. It's like distressed.
Mommy.
In the front, yes.
Look.
What's that? That's trash?
Look at you.
Okay, so this is the tan bodysuit that I got. Tan bodysuit. Here's another pair of jeans. I like these because they got the cuffs at the bottom. Yeah, they do. These are also in a size 9. I don't know. These things look kind of big. They boyfriend skinny jeans, but they look kind of big. So we'll see about those. Yes, baby. It's clothes that I ordered for mommy. Okay, this is a jean skirt too. I just like the fringe all around it. Thought that would be cute with the white bodysuit that I got. Okay, so these are some white jeans. Yes, baby. Yes. Oh yeah, I see. These are white. Yes, baby. I got the distresses. Skinny jeans. Also size 9. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, back up. Let me finish showing my clothes. Okay, another pair of jeans. Okay, hold on, baby. I'll let you say hi in a minute. Hold on. Let me finish showing my clothes.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. Alright, so here's another pair of jeans, size 9.
Thank you.
These are dark wash. Tried to get all different kind of washes. So I think those are all the jeans. Light, dark, white, black. That's another jean skirt. We got a black jean skirt. Blue jean skirt. Those are mediums. Get out of here with that. Those are in mediums. This is the white bodysuit. I don't know why he thought he was about to come up in here with that loud ass whistle. Okay, so this is the white bodysuit. Same as the black and the tan one. This right here is a long dress. It's like, and it got like, y'all see the shimmers on it? It's real pretty. It's a nice fitted dress. Has split on the side. Real cute. Real cute, y'all. It's like this mauve color with these shimmers on it. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so these are my black jeans, size 9. These are the black pair. And these don't have any distress. They're just plain black jeans, black skinny jeans. Okay. And this is the dark wash, dark blue jean skirt. So I just picked up a couple of pieces. And then I also got, it's like a birthday dress. I'm not gonna open it yet. I'll probably open it closer to my birthday. I might even edit this part out because I don't even know if I want y'all to see all of that. But yeah, I got that in a size medium. I'm gonna try it on and see how it fits. But yeah, this was a little haul. I might do a try on haul. I'll see. But I'm about to get ready for the day. I have to run out real quick and then I'm going to my mother's house for Sunday dinner. So I'll check in with y'all a little bit later.
Yes.
Hi, baby. You're a pretty girl. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello. Hi, pretty girl.
What would I do?
Yeah. Oh. You're so silly. Yeah.
What are you doing here?
Hi, Layla. Where you going? Alright, hey y'all. So I'm about to do a grocery haul. Say hey y'all. Say hi.
Hi.
Why are you looking like that always? Alright, so this is everything we got. Okay, so while I'm over here, I'm gonna start over here. So I got some lettuce or salad, premium romaine. We got triangles. It's a rainbow.
Yeah.
We got 4 of the beef raviolis. One of them over there with the other cans. We got some blueberries, strawberries. Sure, I'm gonna eat those in 2 seconds. We got some cilantro, fresh cilantro, fresh thyme. We got this pastaroni. This is the angel hair pasta with herbs. It's really good. It says about 2 servings per container, 2.5 servings per container, but this could feed like 3 people. Like as a side, about 3 people. I got the Jiffy blueberry muffin mix. I got 2 of those, 2 of the honey corn muffin mix. I got some juices for the babies. I got 3 milks, lactate with protein. This is our meats. I got chicken breast tenderloin, and 2 of the top round chopsticks. I could use those for like stir fry sandwiches, anything like that. Yeah. I have some yogurt. I got this for you, Shy, to try. It's the Chobani Flips cookies and cream. And then I got these. I know I like. I got regular Chobani strawberry and mixed berry Greek yogurt. I got a bag of spinach. This is gonna be for dinner tonight. This is the other ravioli. I got like 4 cans of the corn, 2 of the mixed vegetables, and 2 of the cut green beans. These are the rice and pasta sides that I get. I got butter and herb, creamy garlic shells. These are for the babies. I don't really eat those. Chicken flavored, and yeah. So those are the 3 different flavors that I got. Chicken flavor. I have some Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. We have some heavy whipping cream, which I'm gonna use for dinner tonight too. We have raspberries, some tortillas. We have some cheese. I got mild cheddar and cheese for pizza. Y'all gotta excuse these loud children. I got turkey breast lunch meat, 2 pounds of shrimp, raw shrimp, red potatoes, pretzels, and 2 things of chips. And then I also got Doritos, which hubby didn't bring in, and sodas. So yeah, that's everything for this week's grocery haul. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with dinner. I'm making like a chicken pasta, and I'm gonna use the heavy cream to make the pasta base, or the sauce. This is my seasoned chicken. I have in here some nature seasoned garlic, onion, seasonal paprika, all-purpose chicken season, pepper, and I believe that is it. And then for my cream sauce, I have some garlic, pepper, the all-purpose chicken seasoning, some seasoned salt, nature season, and paprika. I'll taste it as I go to see what else I need, if I need anything else, but I'll just show y'all as I go. I have a pot of water here boiling, or about to start boiling, for me to add my pasta in. The pasta that I am using today is the gemelli pasta, so it looks like that. And I cut the chicken up pretty small to you know, make it like some real small bite-sized pieces, so that it'll be perfect for this dish. I also have spinach, which I showed y'all in the grocery haul earlier, that I'll be adding in to the cream sauce. So I'm going to make the chicken in this pan, take it out, put it into a pan, and then I'm going to make the cream sauce in this pan from the residual chicken, you know, grease and all the drippings or whatever from the chicken that I have in this pan is going to also flavor my sauce. And then I'm going to add the chicken back in along with the noodles. Yeah, so I don't know if I said I'm going to put the spinach in the sauce once I take the chicken out and start my sauce. I'm going to put the sauce in with the sauce. I'm going to put the spinach in with the sauce. So I'll come right back once everything is getting started. All right, y'all, so here's the chicken. My bad. My mom called and then my aunt called. So, of course, I had to speak with family. But this is what the chicken is looking like. It's pretty much done. Not all the way, but I'm going to let it go for probably another 5 or so minutes just to make sure that it is fully cooked, because we don't want no raw chicken, obviously. Over here, I have my noodles. I'm going to go ahead and turn them back up. They were boiling really, really fast. So I had turned them down. So they're probably about to go ahead and start back up boiling fast again. But those should be done soon, momentarily, probably about 5 minutes once this is done. So I'm going to drain the noodles and then take my chicken out, put it in a separate bowl. I washed the bowl, so I'll probably put it back in there. And then we will go ahead and start on the sauce. So I'll be back once we get to that point. And I just cooked this in some canola oil. Okay, so my noodles are done. Okay, so the noodles are done. So they're looking like chicken is done. I'm about to drain this off, and then we're gonna go ahead and start on the sauce. Pull this off the heat. So that's why I want a gas stove, y'all, because these electric stoves will continue to cook your food even once you turn it off. And obviously I didn't turn it off because I'm literally about to use it to make my sauce. I'm cooking your dinner.
I'm cooking my dinner. I'm cooking my pizza.
Hold on, y'all, I'm gonna be back. Alright, I turned my heat down to like a medium. I'm gonna go ahead, that's what I have left in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add my cream. Hold on, y'all, let me open it. Okay. Go ahead and pour the cream in. And if y'all know, I don't like a whole lot of sauce. So this one little thing of cream is all I'm going to probably use. I might use a little bit more. I think this is good now. I think it's good. Alright, so you see how that's like basically a lot of flavoring already from my chicken. But we gotta do a little something more. So we're gonna add some nature seasoning, some garlic. This is the nature seasoning. Garlic, my all-purpose chicken seasoning. Just a little bit of that. Just a little bit of seasoning salt. And some black pepper. Yeah, my children in the background. Out of control. What is wrong, Lele? Okay, so we're just going to stir that together. Once it starts getting a little warm and a little thick, that's when I'm going to taste it. I'm also going to add a little bit of butter in here. So hold on, let me get my butter. Okay, so I added like a tablespoon of butter. And we have our spinach right here. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this. And then get it all cleaned up and dried and stuff like that. So I'll be back. Okay, so this is what we're looking like once it's thickened up some. So I'm going to go ahead and taste it. Okay, very good. Very, very good. So we're going to add our spinach. It's like nice and creamy. It's real good. Let the spinach cook down. I'm gonna add a little bit more and then I'll come back once it's cooked down. Alright, so this is where we at. This is how the spinach has wilted down. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken back in. Lele. Babe, can you come get Lele while I finish my dinner? Yeah. And we're going to add the pasta. Just gonna let this cook through, thicken up a little bit more. Coat the pasta and the chicken, and then we'll be ready to serve.
What is wrong with Lele? What's wrong, Lele? You sabotaging?
Alright, so here is the finished pasta. I just started making plates. I got to come back and show y'all. Okay, baby, wait. You gotta wait. I'll get it. Wait. I'm gonna make muffins to go with it, but I'm just making the baby plates now. They're not gonna have the muffins and salad. We'll just have a side salad. So yeah, that's what's for dinner. I'll come back at the end to show y'all the finished plate. Okay, so here are the finished plates, pasta, salad, and then these are the muffins that they'll get. Yep, so that's dinner. It's my son's plate. This is my daughter's. Now I got dishes to do.